historically accurate cartoon princess dances. Today we are going to do a seasonal dance, the bunny hug, and I am dressed as Truly Scrumptious, inspired from her driving dress in Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. The bunny hug would have been a popular dance for Truly Scrumptious to have known because it was invented in 1911 in the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. It was felt to be a variation of the castle walk or one-step that was popular in that day. It was also one of the evil animal dances that was banned in the early 1900s and fell away after World War I. So take an adventure, a dance adventure, with the bunny hug, Chitty Chitty Bunny Hug. Bunny hug basic step 1. Walking forward for the gentleman, back for the lady. It will look like this. Taking our bunny hug, hold position, cheek to cheek, 8 steps forward for the man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bunny hug step 2, our promenade basic. Once again in our bunny hug position, cheek to cheek, heads turned to promenade position, walk across, slide together. And towards the camera, walk across, slide together. Bunny hug step 3, rotating to the right. We will take our bunny hug position. My gentleman will go side, cross, side together. It will look like this. Side, cross, side together. The woman's footwork is walk forward throughout and walk, 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 walk. Our final figure is our backward basic. It will look like this. Our bunny hug and back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much for joining us for this happy little holiday dance, the bunny hug. Do like and subscribe to my line below and check out all the other historically accurate cartoon princess dances at adventuresindance.com.